neglected to mention earlier that one of the things you may run into when using Windows, especially Windows XP 7 or Vista, is the blue screen of death, which can occur when a serious error occurs in your machine. In most cases, the blue screen will show up and you'll be able to see two lines of text near the bottom, followed or preceded by three asterisks. The first of these is what is called a stop code, and it will have usually a single zero followed by an X, followed by a number of other zeros, followed by a two-digit number. That is what you will want to be able to use to go into Google to be able to find answers to your problems. And when you find that one particular case, or the stop code, you can be able to use these four numbers that are within the parentheses to be able to find a more exact solution. Up here you can also see in all caps the specific type of error. It will usually be some cryptic information, something like IRLQ or IRQ not equal than less 2 or something like that. This will simply tell you that a piece of the operating system tried to access a piece of memory it wasn't allowed to, and the computer shuts itself down automatically to try to prevent any damage. There's actually a number of different types of blue screens, and that's what the messages up here and the different stop codes are for. On the bottommost line you can see the file, or a file, that was involved with the crash, both in the address that was being read from it and the date at which it occurred. You don't necessarily need to worry about any of this except for the stop information. Googling the stop code followed by the information in parentheses will be able to help you out to be able to find a solution. If your machine cannot boot up again after getting a blue screen, then there's a good guess you have something seriously wrong with your computer. You may have to use a friend or relative's computer to be able to find a solution to your problem. In that case, simply looking for the stop information would be able to help you there. I would demonstrate what a blue screen looks like on my machine, except every time I do so, it resembles a flickering blue screen. I can see it normally, but the screen capture comes out flickering and useless, so I'm just going to have to skip that. In the next video, I will demonstrate how you can boot the computer into safe mode. This will allow you to be able to run other things. You notice that a minimal amount of the different pink services and service hosts and the other activities running in the background are normal for Windows. Under Windows Safe Mode, the bare minimum are what is running. And this will allow you to also make a good use of antivirus or anti-malware or other anti-spyware types of things. Since the viruses are not usually running in safe mode, that would be a good time to scan for them. And so anything that is found would probably be dormant, and if it is still active, then you would probably have something much more serious beyond the scope of the program's ability to fix. I'll next demonstrate how you can press F8 to be able to choose safe mode from the list of options that comes up, and we'll go from there.